Namaste, I am Krina Nagada, a clinical dietitian from the Yoga Institute. Monsoon brings a unique charm. The sound of rain, the earthy smell of wet soil, hot snacks, and cozy blankets. But along with this beauty, it also brings not so welcome changes to our digestion. Have you ever noticed that during rains we often feel heavy, bloated, and sluggish? That's because, according to Ayurveda, this monsoon season is a water dominant season. That's when our Agni or digestive fire is decreased. This damp atmosphere will increase the Kapha and Vata, leading to reduced metabolism and in turn leads to bloating, gas, and even infections. So, what do we do now? During the season, we should support our body with light, warm herbal teas, which is going to naturally awaken our Agni and will support us throughout the monsoon season. So, what do we do now? We support the body with light healing herbal teas that gently awakens the digestive power, reduce bloating, and balance the metabolism. Our first tea is the classic CCF tea, which is cumin, coriander, and fennel seed, but now enhanced with the golden twist of turmeric and black pepper. This combination not only aids digestion but also improves the metabolism and immunity, which is very essential in this season. For this recipe, we will need 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 to 3 crushed black pepper, and 2 cups of water. Boil everything together for 7 to 8 minutes, strain and sip warm. Cumin stimulates digestive enzymes and reduces bloating. Coriander cools the gut and improves appetite. Fennel relieves the cramps and settles the stomach. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and supports the liver health. And lastly, the black pepper is going to increase the absorption of turmeric and going to support the metabolism. This infusion is going to gently rekindle the Agni and going to keep your gut calm and active. Our second tea is warm, aromatic, and absolutely delicious. It's ginger, cinnamon, and lemongrass. It's ideal for those who feel cold, sluggish, or heavy after meals. For this recipe, you will need 1 small inch of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass, and 2 cups of water. Now, boil all these ingredients for 6 to 7 minutes, strain and enjoy it hot. Now, let's learn about the benefits of ginger. Ginger is going to increase the circulation and relieve the nausea. Cinnamon warms the digestive tract and balances the blood sugar level. Lemongrass reduces gas and supports liver detox. This tea is perfect post-lunch or evening tea to clear out all those undigested toxins, which are also called as amas in Ayurveda. And last, I have a very powerful tea when you feel gassy, acidic, and uneasy in the stomach, which is Ajwain, mint, and tulsi tea. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of Ajwain seed, 3 to 4 mint leaves, 3 to 4 fresh tulsi leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt, and 2 cups of water. Now, boil all these ingredients for 6 to 8 minutes, strain and sip it slowly. Now let's see the benefits of these powerful ingredients. Ajwain is going to reduce the gas and acidity and going to help you to break down that heavy food nicely. Mint is going to reduce the acidity and going to soothe the stomach lining. Tulsi balances the Kapha and Vata, supports gut health and fights off the infection. And lastly, the rock salt is going to improve the absorption and balance the electrolytes. This tea is deeply grounding and calming, not just for your body but also for your nervous system. So these were your 3 monsoon-friendly herbal tea recipes, which is going to help you in your digestive system during this damp weather. They are more than just teas and they are your daily reset drink. I really hope you like this recipe and let me know in the comment box which was your favorite recipe and which one are you going to try. Let them become a small part of your daily ritual. Take care, stay light, let food be your medicine, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.